Hello again from Russian Forest, Andrei from Russian Whips. And today is a beautiful day, very sunny, very warm, and we decided just to take a walk in the woods and take this opportunity to present you my new product, which is my own invention in the self-defense tools. It's what I call Russian sausage sap. Actually, it's a round sap filled with buckshot in a garden pipe filled with buckshot with a bullet at the tip and wrapped in a thick leather, hand stitched, and it has a nice leather strap. So all in all, it's about 30 centimeters long and feels very comfortable in the head, and well, it really does the job. I mean, it's something in between the blackjack and the sap. It combines the advantages of both. On the one hand, you don't really break somebody's skull with this unless you really want to, but I hope it's not the case, because when people would use a regular blackjack, I mean, it's a huge lead tip and it can cause serious damage. This sap is a sausage filled with buckshot, so it's much easier as far as injuries, but it can still hit and make a huge impact and just fend off or just make anybody lose motivation on attacking you. You can wear it discreetly, you can put it in your pocket, or you can put it inside your pants and kind of cover it with your clothes, or you can put it inside your glove box at your car, or under the seat, or in a handbag, so it's very handy. And I think it wouldn't qualify as a weapon really, because I describe it as a keychain. It's a funny looking keychain, but heck, I mean, if you want to put a key on a ring on it, you could call it a keychain and just say, okay, I keep losing my keys and all I want is to make sure I find them when I need them, and this is just a huge keychain I use for that. I mean, why not? So I invite you to my Etsy store for those, and I can make custom size. It's 30 centimeters, but I can make 50, 40 or less, I mean, on demand. So looking forward to receiving your feedback, and see you again on my Etsy store. Have a good day. Bye.